visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. So let's check no kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. Huwag niyo pong saluhin lahat, lalo na kung hindi naman talaga nagre-resonate. And again, remember, general ito ha, para sa lahat. Okay? I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, no? So whenever you find this video, whether upload lang nito, or medyo, tumagal na, it doesn't matter. The message is meant to find you. Let's check kung anong nangyayari. Hope, conflict, and defeat. Disruption. So parang nakikita natin dito may sumingit, no? Nakikita natin dito merong pagkakataon na siguro hindi rin natin nakita, no, ang mga bagay-bagay. Naging kampante tayo, masyado tayong naniwala. Hindi natin alam something is going on behind our back, no? It might be our person who did that, or it might be someone else's who wants to actually steal the person away from us. So with the hope in here, nandito na yung separation. Nagkaroon na ng whether it is physical or energetic separation. Para sa mga bago, physical separation, this is self-explanatory. The person might be in a different city, state, a county, country, different continent, no? Different planet, what have you. Physical, no, na magkalayo. Energetic separation is pwede nakikita kayo, lagi kayo magkasama, pero hindi na kayo nag-uusap, wala na yung lambing, meron ng gap, no? Or it can be a combination of both, hindi na kayo nagkikita, hindi pa kayo nag-uusap. It felt like with the conflict and defeat, parang naramdaman mo dito na people are ganging up on you, no? Ang masakit dito na feel mo pa na parang kasama pa si person, no, na nag-betray ng trust mo due to giving other people a chance to come near them, no? Parang inaakit and nagpaakit naman. But somehow with the hope, no, parang sinasabi mo dito, hindi yan magtatagal, no? It can be a denial, it can be the truth. Wala pa naman yung mga cards, no? Nandun pa lang tayo sa mga possibilities na parang sinasabi mo dito kasi nandito ka sa grief, no? Grief is someone who actually felt by a person who were left, alone. Grief is not just about a death of someone. A grief can be a separation as well. So hindi pa nako-complete, no? Kasi meron yang stages of grief, no? Meron yang of course, I think that sadness, bargaining, denial, no? And I think that the depression is there, and then acceptance, no? Pero kasi ang nakikita natin dito, sabihin natin nasan ba ang hope? It can be bargaining or denial, no? Nandun yan sa dalawa. Kasi parang nafe-feel natin dito, yes, malungkot ako ngayon, I could be a little depressed, pero parang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, naku, babalik yan, no? With the Nine of Swords, So, we are encountering sleepless nights. Hindi na tayo nakakapagpatulog-tulog ng maayos, hindi na maayos din ang sabihin nating schedules natin, no? Kung by noontime tayo ay kumakain na, no? Parang 3:00 na ng hapon, hindi pa tayo nakakakain. Siguro by 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. tulog na tayo, pero ngayon inaabot tayo ng 1 a.m. It's not about the retrograde, what have you. It is about the Nine of Swords, of what really happened between you and your person. The Queen of Swords and the Temperance. Somewhat kumukulo din yung dugo mo. Of course, tao ka, 'di ba? Hindi, wala ka namang sigurong plan magpa-canonize, no? Or maging santa. Um, Tao ka, nakaka-feel ka ng galit, no? Pero sabihin nating kinakalma mo yung sarili mo. Either alam mo yung sarili mo kung paano magalit, or ayaw mong magalit dahil mas madidepress ka, or ayaw mong magalit kasi ayaw mong dagdagan yung sama ng loob na nafe-feel mo para kay person, no? So, kumbaga, kalaban mo kasi dito yung sarili mo, no? Either gusto mo nang sumugod, gusto mo nang makipag-usap, gusto mo nang um, magkaroon ng confrontation, pero humihinga ka ng malalim, sinasabi mo, sandali lang, hindi pwede, kailangan kong mag-chill, no? Um, Ayokong dumating doon sa point na meron akong gagawin na baka mamaya, ah, sabihin nating, ah, pagsisisihan ko, no, sa huli. With the Tower and the Three of Cups. So, either ikaw ngayon, you're going out, no, to probably brush yourself off, um, probably have fun. Hindi naman sa nagwawala ka, no? You're trying to divert your attention to something else, no? Or baka mas lalo ka nagagalit. Dalawa to eh. Or yung person mo, may nakakarating sa'yo na your person's actually going out, no? Parang nakawala sa hawla. Yun yung nakakainis. It's not being unfair na ikaw pwede ka magsaya, no? And yung person mo hindi. Kasi ikaw yung nagawa ng masama. So, yung sa'yo, diversion, di ba? Yung sa'yo, alam nga namang ano pa ako, no? Maglupasay. Mas, hindi naman ako ganun kamasokista, no? Gusto ko nga ng diversion para maiba naman yung nararamdaman ko. Pero yung masaya na nang iwan ako at nagsasaya pa, ay medyo nakakapanginig na naman ng laman, no? Nakakabastos in a way, 'di ba? With the Eight of Cups and the Two of Swords. So parang kinakausap mo rin yung sarili mo dito na siguro meron din dito mga attempts or temptation, no? Now, what if kaya kung somewhat magrebelde ko in a way, in a sense na magpaakyat kaya ako ng ligaw o manligaw ako sa iba, no? Or buksan ko, no, yung opportunity for other people. Pero again, nandun pa rin yung control, no? With the Two of Wands, the Lovers, kasi parang feeling mo, I already met a person for me. I already met, my destiny, no? For a few numbers of you who's actually very spiritual, probably you already, parang sinabi mo ditong, I already met, no, my twin flame. Ayan. With the Magician, the Ten of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Five of Wands kasi dito, I feel like meron kasi siyang mga kasama sa paligid na medyo buyo. Pwedeng ayaw ng mga taong yun sa'yo, or pwedeng nangyari lang basta out of the tuksuhan, no? Ayun na. One thing's for sure, hindi maganda yung mga nakasama niya. Alam na merong karelasyong tao, no? Tapos ginaganon pa. With the Magician and the Ten of Cups, parang ang nangyayari dito is sana, no? You're praying, you're hoping for this relationship na mabuo uli, no? Magkaroon ng reconciliation. The Star and the Fool card, I feel like, yeah, um, hindi naman magtatagal, no, itong ipinalit sa'yo kasi nakakita ko ng immaturities, nakakita ko na it's out of either libog, out of, parang laro lang ito. Kasi ang layo ng star and the full card, no? Makikita mo yung grace nito, yung carelessness nito. So makikita din niya yung differences, no? Magkakaroon ng comparison. Kaya parang sasabihin naman nito ni person na, sandali, parang mas okay yung kabila, no? Mas okay yung iniwan ko. So, I'm seeing reconciliation in here. Pero hindi ito mangyayari agad-agad kasi it might take by next year pa, no? Or it may take a little while for your person to actually return. Siyempre, no, susubukan niya muna. Kumbaga kikilalanin niya muna. And then habang tumatagal, doon niya nakikita talaga yung differences. So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, if you resonate po sa reading na ito, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, ayan, pwede po kayong magtanong sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link, no? Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. And pwede rin pong lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo, no? I'm seeing Aries, Aquarius, Leo, Pisces, Gemini. I'm seeing Libra. I'm seeing Sagittarius. Did I mention that? Yes. Aries, yes. Leo, yes. Yeah, Pisces, Scorpio is here. And Cancer. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.